good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got a case video for y'all. As you can see, we got my Note 20 Ultra on deck. Today we got the Otterbox, the Defender Pro for the Note 20 Ultra. So this has been something y'all done seen on my channel plenty of times, but we just gonna go ahead and check it out for this year, and I'm gonna make sure I give y'all them tips on how to install and uninstall, you know, this case, because a lot of people have problems with that. So let's just take a look at the front. Excuse the packaging, guys, it's a little ragged, but lasting antimicrobial case protection. So it's got a layer of antimicrobial stuff that'll help with the germs and the bacteria. That's really good. It also is 5G compatible and wireless charging compatible. So you can wireless charge. It's got an antimicrobial. That's something new where they coat in these cases so they can kind of protect themselves from germs. Typical Otterbox packaging, a little different, a little more with this packaging than normal. Normally I could just open the package up, straight take the case out. But as you can see, outlast heavy use. These joints definitely last. Raised edges protect the screen and the camera, so they think about the camera. That's good. Multi-layer defense, and you get the holster kickstand, of course, in Otterbox fashion. And we got 4 times as many drops as military standard. So this is super tough. It's the grandfather of tough cases. I've been using Otterbox since my BlackBerry tour days. So we just gonna go ahead and pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out behind the camera, guys. Things looking a little raggedy. As you can see, we got some installation instructions actually inside with the case, and it's how to install the case and how to use the belt clip holster. Now, I've been showing y'all that for years, so I don't need that. So let me just go ahead and get this from behind the case. We're gonna get this case going. So, boom, here we go. Straight case. Got it in the black, of course, to match my Mystic Black Note 20 Ultra. And as you can see, got the nice holster with the nice Otterbox branding, guys. There you go, Otterbox. So, let's go ahead and take it apart, break it down. We know what an Otterbox look like. They've been around forever. So, we actually got some nice padding on the inside and some branding, as you can see, from Otterbox. Otterbox certified drop plus protection. Just says it's the Defender Pro, and it's nice padding in here so this case won't mess up your phone. And you know this is a screenless case now. They used to come with screen protectors built in, but I don't like screen protectors built in, and a lot of people don't, and they kind of not good for the phone, guys. So that's why they just leave the screen protector out. This has a big enough raised up lip on it to definitely protect this new Victus glass, Gorilla Glass Victus that's on this Note 20 Ultra. As you can see, we got Otterbox branding on the back. We got like a design of some lines, and we've got that nice camera protection right there. I like how the matte silicone look with the gloss black. Very dope. As you can see, we got a cover for our Type-C port. You can open that up. It's a cover. We got a nice big hole for our S Pen, our speaker, and our microphone. So, as you can see, we got buttons on the side. You get a rubbery button press, volume up and down, and a power button. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start to take this thing apart, guys, so we can actually see what it breaks down to. Now, okay, let's sit the phone off to the side for a minute. Now, you have, let's go ahead and get this, excuse me, guys, go ahead and get this pointed down for you. We have the silicone outside, outer, you know, this is the outer shell silicone. We got a polycarbonate frame, and this is how all you have to do, guys. You can see it's 2 pieces. There's a front piece and a rear piece. Now, polycarbonate frame, you see these directional arrows that point to the edges of the case? That's where these little clips are. See the little clip? Let me see, get the little clip. Now, all you have to do to separate these two is lift up on these little clips, like so. And as you can see, we got separation. A lot of people have their phones. A lot of people got their phones at Otterboxes that they can't get their phones out of. somebody to put it in. Here we go, 2 pieces right here. This is basically a 4-part case. And as you can see, got a nice sturdy holster. A lot of people got their phones and Otterboxes and they can't get them out. So that's a heck of a situation to be in. Gonna go ahead, get the phone. And this is all you gotta do to install this phone into this Otterbox. Take the phone, I first put it into the back polycarbonate section of the case. Then I come around front, make sure everything lined up. We lined up with the Type-C ports and everything. Cool. Come with the front, make sure it's lined up, and you just snap it down. I'm an Otterbox pro, guys. I got mad Otterboxes on my channel, but there it is. So now we got the polycarbonate hard shell on there. You can already see that it's going to be protecting the camera real well. Got the camera nice and recessed, and then we're going to take this silicone outer layer and just bring it on around. I'm just going to put it onto the case like so. And you see this, like this is these little hooks. Make sure it's hooked over here. We're going to just press it onto the case, guys. Going to press it on, and it's actually a groove in here under the silicone that hooks onto this part of the case. So all you got to do is press it down, and it's hooking on. As you can see, as I press it down, now it's nice and on there. Press down, you see, once it's a groove that hooks on to the side of the polycarbonate. So you press down on the silicone and it falls into the groove. And just like on the bottom, it's separated. I press down on it and you might have to do it for a second. This is a new case. Hold on, I didn't have the edge all the way. Okay, up. So just press down. Boom, 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 boom. And still having the hard way to go, guys. Hold on, this thing is getting me. I don't know why. What's going on here? This last little bit, guys. The bottom of the case. Let me unhook. We unhook. Hold on, guys. Okay, I got it. It was stubborn. Just had to push down really well. Make sure it hooks in. It was stubborn, but as we got it, we've got us a Otterbox installed properly, looking very nice. Very dope case right here. As you can see, looks good. Mystic black. I mean, even though Otterboxes lost a lot of that bulkiness, they're not as bulky as they used to be. And as you can see, that's why you can wirelessly charge with this case. But yeah, look at this raised lip protection right here, guys. Nice raised lip protection, nice buttons. Your Type-C port is protected. I mean, this is the granddaddy of protection right here, guys. This is what you want. This is what you want. And you could use this holster, snap it in the front. Got the case snapped in. Boom. Nice snapping the case. These holsters last. I've broken these holsters, but it's only because I put them under extreme pressure, like it got caught in the car door or something like that. But 9 times out of 10, this holster is not gonna move around. It's not gonna break unless you put it under some really crazy conditions. And you can, if you break it, you can buy it off the Otterbox website. They sell them separate. And you can do this nice little thing with it. You can turn the phone around, put it into the holster backwards, and we can use this thing as a kickstand. You just press on the clip. Let me show you. And it's a kickstand now, guys. So there you go. Nice little kickstand. And to let the kickstand go, all you gotta do is press this tab. Boom. That's it. It's the Otterbox, guys. If you got any questions, just put them down in the comment section. This is the Otterbox for the Note 20 Ultra. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me. If you're not following me on Twitter, follow me. It's BG_TechLife on both. BG_TechLife on Twitter and Instagram. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.